Hey, girls with grit, just quickly gonna pop on here. We've got a Hostess reward template that I made for you ladies, and I hope you love it. We're gonna create a design that's on the homepage of canva.com. You're gonna click that, you're gonna do a custom size, and we're gonna do 800 pixels by 2000, and do create new design. Then you can drag and drop the empty template I gave you and post it in here, and you can drag each corner to fill it up. And then what you can do is add your photos just by dragging them over. I went to the Seiko website, got a bunch of photos I liked just of the no background, the white background ones. And then I just kind of make them smaller, drag the corner to keep the size proportional, and then just add them to the pages or the reward tiers. So there you go. That's how I did that, and I just play with it and adjust it. And you can add whatever products you like, whatever ones that your customers would love. And I hope this helped you. And then you'll just download a PNG of your Hostess reward chart. Okay, bye for now.